Brought to you by American Pistachios.
That's the power of the statue.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming as we set off our 2025 preseason conference in motion. We meet exactly 366 days since last year's preseason press conference. We've had a new face with us. Coach Mahela Jayawardene joins us as head coach, and our captain Hardik Pandya here. As always, general rules. Let me know who's got a question. The mic will come to you. We will not do follow-ups for the first time. Let everybody get a chance to ask questions, and we'll come back to you. And if you have any follow-up, just let us know. We'll do it as we always do it later. Just ensure that your phones are on silent. And we will respect that the camera people are standing at the back, so let's not stand up in front of them. We'll do this as smoothly as possible for everybody here. Before we open the floor to questions, we've got just a couple of questions for Mahela and Hardik. So Mahela, we'll start with you. 10 days of preseason with old faces and new faces. Just sum up the 10 days so far.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, it's been good. Obviously, even though it's 10 days with way before that, we had trial camps, we had guys playing certain tournaments. I've been here a few times, but as a main squad with all the international guys coming in, it's been very good. There are a few things I wanted to make sure that the guys are ready for this season and slowly but surely get in there, but it's still work in progress. Quite happy with the preparation, and we've got 3 or 4 big days coming up before our first game.
HP, question for you. Obviously, you flew out of Dubai. 3 hours later, you were in Trident, and then you spent a lot of time with the new boys that you've probably met for the first time. You spent a lot of time with them. Just quickly sum up some of those conversations and how it's been.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I mean, that was the plan. Knowing the youngsters was always the plan. That was one of the reasons why I finished the Champions Trophy and I was here in the team hotel. At the same point of time, having those conversations, just trying to understand what their mindset is, what are they expecting, and at the same point of time, some of the learnings which I can share over the years, which I have learned. So it's been quite fruitful. The coach has already started the preparation on full flow, and the boys are looking very excited at the same point of time, ready to go.
Hardik, you will be missing the first match because of the punishment being carried forward from last season. How do you look at it, and should this kind of punishment be carried forward to the next season, or you think there has to be some change in the rules of the IPL? And to Mahela, of course, the big name of Jasprit Bumrah and his fitness. What is the latest? When is he going to be available to play? And how difficult is it going to be for you to start the season without Bumrah?
To my question, I think that is out of my control. Last year, what occurred was part of the sport. We bowled, I think, 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes late the last over, and at that point of time, I didn't know the consequences, what can happen. But yeah, I mean, it is unfortunate, but I think rule says it. That means I have to go with the process. Next year, do they continue, not continue? I think that is on the higher authorities. They can definitely see into it what best can be done and see how we can take it forward.
Re-energize and sort of reset your button for this IPL, and is after last year's disappointing show by MI, do you sort of look to correct things there, and do you have a plan in mind how to go about it?
I mean, just play good cricket, have a lots of smile around. How do we turn around? I think the answer is by playing good cricket, being with each other at the same point of time, doing our processes right. Having those plans which coaches and all the support staff which creates. Go and execute that at your best ability, and at the same point of time, just enjoy. I think with this group, the kind of talent and the kind of ability is there. I think it's important that we enjoy and look forward for all the games which are coming forward. So I don't think there is a rocket science to turn around things, but definitely there will be some basic things which if we can tick box, I think this team will look very, very good.
Hi, I have a question for each of you. I'll start with Hardik, if you don't mind. Hardik, speaking about last year, it was challenging, obviously, for the team, more possibly for you individually, dealing with everything. How much would the fact that whatever you and the boys in Other Blue have achieved in the last 10 months, how much would it help you and the group as such at the start of the season?
Massive, I think. Playing for India has been always prideful. It has always been the number one priority, and I think winning 2 ICC trophies for India is something which is very close to all of our heart, and there is a lot of joy. So I think that joy will carry forward into IPL as well, and we'll look forward to take up this challenge as well, where Emma has not got 4 years. Last 4 years has been dry. So, the challenge and the excitement part is that we can go for it with all joyness and at the same point of time, all togetherness. That's what exactly, we are communicated, and at the same point of time, all are in the...
Obviously, Jasprit is at the moment with NCA, so until we haven't, he just started that progress, we have to wait and see what their feedback on him. At the moment, everything's going well, but obviously it's on day-to-day basis, the progress. He's in good spirits, and hopefully he can join the team sooner. Obviously, not having him, it is a challenge. He's one of the best bowlers in the world, and he's been a fantastic pro for us for many years. But we'll have to find a way. It's an opportunity for someone else also to step up and show what they're capable of. That's how I see it. And gives us a different element of trying few different things and see what works. And it's always good in early season for us to do that.
Hardik, in your absence, is it obvious that you name the 3 captains now, Jasprit is not there, it's be either Rohit or Surya?
Yeah, Surya obviously, leads India as well. When I'm not there, he's the ideal choice in this format, and exciting one as well. So
over the years, we witnessed various stages of your journey, from the dynamic and raw talent in 2015 to 2017 to the more refined injury-affected phase. And now, throughout the Champions Trophy, you've displayed a new level of maturity and leadership. So now, as the captain of Mumbai Indians, how would you describe Hardik Pandya 3.0, and what do you envision for your continued growth, both as a player and a leader, and what surprises can we expect from you?
I mean, quickly my life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed. It has just not taught me about the sport, it has taught me about life as well, that how life would be over the years. This year it's a fresh year, 366 days. As he mentioned, a lot of things have changed, a lot of love and joy, and a lot of things are added. So, 3.0 would be, every year I think it has become a 0.0 added, but this year it will be same. There will be always passion, there will be always grit, there will be always challenges, which I love. And I think for me, the crucial part would be to, make sure that the challenges are not the way how they've been thrown at me, but to my boys, if the challenges are thrown, how I can help them and, fight their way out. So for me, this year, the challenges and the excitement part is that how can I add more value to all the players who are there. And my journey will keep continue. I'm here.
It's said that well begun is half done. So your first match is a quite difficult match, and you have a now different team combination also for the opening match. So how do you see the first match and your team combination and challenge before you, because it's a clash of titans? So it's a question for you.
Shall I answer that, or you? Okay,
Yeah, you can.
all right. I'm sure it's a challenge for Chennai as well because they've got a new team apart from us. So I'm sure I've always enjoyed the battle. Flem is a good friend, and I'm looking forward to that. I mean, there's no other place to go and play in Chennai. It's a great atmosphere. There's a little bit more adrenaline for the boys as well. Yeah, like I said, we have a big challenge and try and correct something in history where we haven't won a first match in a tournament for a number of years. So looking forward to that.
स्पोर्ट्स तक पर आपको न सिर्फ खबरें मिलेंगी बल्कि आपका ओपिनियन भी मैटर करता है। ये आप ही का मंच है। आइए बताइए भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम से आप क्या उम्मीद करते हैं। रहिए स्पोर्ट्स तक के साथ, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स तक को YouTube और Facebook पर।